So this just came in the mail, or came to my house like not too long ago. Like literally, like I just picked it up from the door, like not even 5 minutes ago. Cause I just know when things arrive. No one has to ring the doorbell. No one has to knock the door. I just know when something arrives at the door. So that's just how my magic works. But this is the AGPtEK um capture card. I'll show a picture. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so first we're just gonna go around the box. So there's a lot of fingerprints on this too, not mine, when I like opened the package. So it says standalone capture to USB disk, no PC required. See, that's a benefit if you're not gonna stream with it, like use a capture card to stream, just like record videos and put on YouTube. This is perfect for like consoles people. One key capture, easy to use. 1080p video capture with editing software. Share on YouTube. I don't think I'll use that, but whatever. Here says, wait, it says please do not record. YOLO, who cares? The back, HD video capture. At the bottom, it says interface, USB 2.0 host, digital HDMI, analog component video. You guys can read that. I'm not gonna read all of it. Pretty good. Yeah. Okay, there. So now I'm just gonna open the box. Okay, so I took off the tape at the bottom, and that's what it looks like when you first open the box. Oh my gosh, this thing is super light. It's hella light. Like, I can lift it with my pinky. That's how light it is. See, look. That's how light it is. I'm just flicking with my fingers. And it comes with thank you for your purchase. And I think this is a Chinese company. Give me 1 second. I need 2 hands for this.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Okay. So this was in the box. Nothing else in the box. This was in the last thing that was inside. It's a small cardboard in the box. And we'll cover inside. You get, I have no idea what these are. I think it's for are these component things? I don't know. I'm such a moron. Get an HDMI cable for your console, and oh, they took this up to what? I think you have to plug it in when you use it. I thought you didn't have to.
Really, nigga?
It comes with the software if you wanna. What is it called? Editing software. And this is the stuff that, or it gives you instructions on how to use it. And yeah. So I took the capture card out of the wrapper, and it feels nice in the hands, even though it's not going to be in your hands when you use it. So it's just going to be sitting down collecting dust on your console, but just nice to feel it. anyways for the first time. So that's the USB host. That's you just put in USB. I think a 3.0 USB, and all the things you're recording on your console or whatever, it's gonna go to the USB you plug in, like a USB stick. Like in what? I have no idea what these are. I'm sorry. That's to record. HDMI out and in. I think in that goes into your console and out goes to your TV. I think that's how it goes, or maybe the other way around. I guess that's to plug it in to power it, or not powder, to power it on. No wait, is that to power? I'm sorry, guys. This is not professional. I'm just going to what I got, my knowledge. And this is the light to know if it's recording. Look how disgusting my finger looks. Okay. Yeah, but that's lights to know if it's recording or not. Where's the lighting? Okay, whatever. Thanks for watching. As you could tell, this video was not planned, or it was just a first take. So that's my video, because I'm not even gonna say anything. I'm gonna try the capture card out and get my thoughts and opinions after. I'm not gonna do a setup for it. I don't think so, because it's gonna be complicated for me, maybe, because I'm stupid. But I'll give you guys an update on about the capture card. Hopefully I got my money's worth, because like what it's looking right now, my first impressions, it's not good. But I might be surprised. I might be like, so I'm thankful that I have the capture card, but from first impressions, it looks like cheaply made and like confusing and all that. But it's not all I can afford. It's all I can. So what is the word? Except for how I want it. Like, I don't want to use a PC when I record. I just want to like plug it in my Xbox and that's it. USB, that's so convenient. But yeah, I'm talking too much. I think I'm speaking too quietly, but my little brother's sleeping, so I don't want to wake anyone up. Even though it's like 4:38, but that's it. Thanks for watching. This video's it's way too long, and I have to cut out some bits and pieces. I'm saying pointless stuff right now, just like that. But thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Ta-ta.